Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Sellfy account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe account to Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, oftentimes your customers want to pay with credit card. So in order to do that on Sellfy, you have to connect a Stripe account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Stripe account to Sellfy, here on the left side, you're going to click on Store Settings. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Payment Settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this Stripe logo, and you can see these two buttons. So you can connect an existing Stripe account, which is what I'm going to do. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and create a new Stripe account here. So let me click on connect. Okay, next Stripe's going to open up the browser. So you want to go ahead and enter in the email address associated with your Stripe account. Okay, once you entered the email, go ahead and click on submit. All right, next you want to go ahead and enter in your password to your Stripe account and then click on submit. Okay, next it's going to show the profiles that you have with Stripe. So go ahead and choose the one you want to connect to Sellfy. I'm going to choose this one and then scroll to the bottom. Okay, once you get to the bottom, you want to click on this green connect button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into Sellfy. And as you can see below the Stripe logo, it should have your email that's associated with your Stripe account. And you can see it says connected account. So now I can accept payments through credit card on my Sellfy account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your Sellfy account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.